Let's talk about how you can fly this drone. You can take off with the takeoff button or fly from your hand if the surface is not friendly. The drone can land with the land button or from the hand with a quick flip turn. One powerful feature is the return home button, whereby the drone will return to the starting point. This feature can help if you've lost the signal or cannot find where the drone is located. Let's kick it off with the pros of the DJI Mini Pocket 3. It's a mini drone, meaning it's relatively small, weighing under 249 grams. But the pro in the name actually suggests that despite the small size of this drone can actually give you professional quality with 1.3-inch sensor, making it bigger than the previous model. Here's a side-by-side comparison. It has a 48 megapixel camera. You can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second video and 1080p at 120 frames per second, making it easy to slow down your footage. The sensor of the drone has doubled in size compared to the previous Mini 2. You can also shoot in log footage, also known as D-Cine-alike. Here's the side-by-side footage of the color grade and the C-Cine-alike. One great feature I like about this drone is that you can buy it with a built-in screen from the RC remote controller, which is better than the previous remote model. Here's the side-by-side. Because the previous model you'd have to use your cell phone and it would have to drain your battery life. This drone can fly up to 12 kilometers without any obstacles, meaning it can only apply if you're flying in open spaces. This might not apply if you're flying over obstacles or buildings, because the drone will lose its signal. You can also shoot vertical mode for your social platform and use quick transfer mode to connect your drone to your cell phone. This will help you share your content easily. I personally wouldn't suggest this feature because you wouldn't have so much control over your footage. If you don't mind about all those complicated things, color grading, and you just want to take your footage from the drone to your social platform, then you might try this feature. But I personally wouldn't suggest the feature. It has improved in battery life, giving you 34 minutes of flight time. Quick disclaimer on the flight time. This drone has never lasted me the given time of the drone. It has never, I repeat, never given me 35 minutes. At most, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Or 25 on a sunny day. So if you're not gonna shoot your footage on a windy day like this one, then rest assured, knowing that it will last you at least 25 minutes. I'd suggest that you invest in extra batteries, because this drone wouldn't last you as long as advertised. Never crash this drone. I think the only logical person to blame for this situation, it's my wife. That's the only person that I can blame for the drone crashing. Shit! Yes. Yes. The truth of the matter is, you will crash this drone. Not once, not twice. As long as you're flying it and you're testing it out, you'll crash it. Because you're not a professional driver. You're a beginner. You just started. You understand? You just started this thing. You don't know how to maneuver. Everything is new. That's why you'll crash. That's the truth about it. Secondly, it's because you're still excited. You don't want the drone to crash. And that will make you crash. The fact that you don't want the drone to crash will actually make you crash the drone. It's just the sad truth about flying the drone. Man, should I be making more videos in open fields? Because It's actually easier, unlike making them from home. Here you get to relax, you get to see nature for what it is. So yeah, you'll crash the drone, boys. Luckily the drone is still fine. I've damaged the propellers, which DJI offers as extra accessories. Drone costs more than the previous Mini models, making it less budget friendly. The RC remote controller adds even more to the price. The drone only has forward, back, and downward sensors, no obstacle avoidance on the side, making it easy for you to crash. This makes flying in tight spaces riskier, unlike the DJI Neo, which is less expensive. This drone usually struggles in strong winds compared to the larger drones like Air 3 and Mavic 3. There's no built-in storage. You need a micro SD card since there's no internal storage. The D-Cine-like, which is the log profile, might bend. This offers compressed images compared to other bigger drones. I wouldn't speak that much on it because I've never used other models. The question is, would you get professional looking footage? The answer is yes. So if you're shooting for your YouTube video, for your real estate, your small commercial, then this baby will definitely come through for you. But if you are more on the high spectrum, maybe you're trying to shoot for a big commercial or for your Netflix, then I wouldn't suggest this drone. But for your day-to-day or for your beginner-friendly drone, this has to be the best drone for you. Thank you for making it this far. This video wouldn't be possible without you, of course. Yes, you're the special one. And don't forget to subscribe because
Tim and out. See you in the next video. Mang Kwee Kwee.